Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a very long time since I last uploaded a video. Pero for today's video, it's sponsored by Yesstyle. We're going to do a unboxing all the Yesstyle products that they have sent me, and also we're going to try it on, guys. So thank you so much, Yesstyle, for giving me this opportunity. Kaya if you're interested in buying one from Yesstyle, you can. It's very affordable, guys. The products are very good in quality, and you can use my code Faye'sDay so that you can get 10% discount to your purchase product. So we're going to start unboxing now, guys. I'm so excited. I have here my scissors. So this is the box. I am the one who chose the products inside, but what I worried about is my size. What if I get the wrong size, diba? Pero I'm hoping that it fits me. So yeah, we're going to do an unboxing. Okay. Oh my god. Oh no, I haven't opened it yet. Okay, first I have this. So I have this t-shirt. It's LIVA Girl short sleeve Bustier crop top. Oh my, I'm so excited. And it's white, in the color of white, guys. Don't worry, guys, I'm going to link all of the products. If you're interested, just go to the description box below and see if you like it. Wow, wait, I think this is so big on me. Wala, ang laki nito, pero wait, I'm going to try it naman later. So this is the first product, guys. I don't know if it fits me. The cloth is so smooth. I like the cloth. Good for hot weather dahil medyo may pagkalamig yung cloth niya eh. Tapos meron siyang ito. Yeah. Okay, another one. Oh, I'm so excited to try this on. Up to the other product. Wow. So this is PINPI. This is PINPI short sleeve contrast trim body. Bodycon knit off-white. One size. One size lang siya, guys. Hoping that it fits me. Off-white. Oh no! Ang laki! It's so big. I don't know if it fits me. But it's a small pocket here, guys. But it's ano sa button. Wow. Style lang siya, guys. Hindi siya pwede malalagyan dahil may ano dito. There's something here. Restrictions. Charot. Okay. Gonna fit it later. Next product. So this bag, guys, it's called SKYGLOW Faux leather crossbody bag of white one size. Wait! My friends really know me that I really love bags. I don't know why I love bags, but bags is everything for me. Yung life natin. good choice, Faye. Good choice. Oh. This bag is color of off-white, and once you open the bag, there's one, two, three compartments inside. This is for what I'm going to put here. Earphones. I'm going to put in here earphones. For wallets, I don't know, coins. I'm just going to put here the receipts na naman or also good for power banks dahil ang laki niya, guys. Pwede siya diba? Maganda. It's so nice. And another compartment here, so it's really worth the purchase. And by the way, yung kasi the thing that I'm ordering this product is take me on a date. Take me on a date now. Uy, ang exciting naman ito, guys. Wow, I really like this. Wow, okay. So next product. Ooh, the shoes. So it's quite big for me. I really like it. So these shoes, wait, nakalimutan ko na yung name. BELBIE? Did I pronounce it right? BELBIE pointed flats. BELBIE pointed flats. It's kinda big. No, it's so big. Why I have small feet? I really like it though. But it's okay naman. Sadyang bagay sa feet ko. Another bag, guys. So this bag is Diamante Fox leather tote bag. In the color of brown. Nice. Wow, ganda. It's big. It's also big, guys. You can use it in two ways, but there's no pocket inside. But it's really big. You can put here a lot of things: umbrella, books, pencil case, your phone, your wallet, everything. You can put it here because it's so big, diba? You can use it like this, shoulder, but I prefer putting it like this, guys. Prefer ko to. Nice, ganda siya. And when you're not going to use this, guys, just put it here inside din naman para neat ang nasa labas, diba? Okay, so it's wrapped in a bubble wrap. Let's open it. Oh yeah, I've even ordered this pala. I mean, I didn't order this, guys. This is really just all sponsored products. What's this? Thank you for shopping at Yesstyle.com, and please come again. I'll surely come back at you. Okay, I'm not going to ruin the box dahil it's sayang. Wow. Oh wow, I'm going to use this later. This is NEOGEN Vita Duo Night Cream. It's good for your skin, guys. It's strengthening and hydrating night cream formulated with lavender and vitamin E. Worth the purchase, guys. Please purchase this product. Meron din silang day cream, pero hindi ko pa nakuha yung day cream ko. Hindi din ako mag-purchase ng day cream soon, diba? One thing I noticed about myself, I really like jewelries. And I ordered from Yesstyle the CHEERMO butterfly necklace. You can see it here. Oh my god. Bakit ang bobo ko? So this is the product. This is how it looks. Wow. Oh wow. The CHEERMO butterfly. I don't know why I choose butterfly. See? Oh wow. Wait, let me try it on. Wait, I like it. Wait, I like it. I won't take it off. Okay, the last product in our unboxing today is DREN Rhinestone Moon and Star Drop Ear. One pair. Moon and Star. This is a really good idea for blind dates or date when you're going to have a date with your boyfriend and sana all i-date. I understand din naman. I'm not that needy person. Hindi din ako needy na pagka-girl. Kaya, okay lang. I don't care din naman. Okay, so first product we're going to try on is this product. Wow. I like the product, guys. It's just a little bit too for me, but I can just work it out. I'm going to get the bag. To try on if it fits. And on to our next product. So this is how it looks, guys. It's like having a date after school. Going to pair it with my college bag. Here now in our bathroom, and I'm going to apply NEOGEN Vita Duo Night Cream, and let's see how it goes. I'm gonna first wash my face, then I'm going to apply this. That's all my skincare, guys, because I really have a sensitive skin, and let's see how this product goes well on my skin. So moist. But the smell, it's not that okay for me. Wow. It's just like water, guys, whenever you're going to put it on your face, and it's so light that you'll think na wala siya sa mukha mo. Good for night cream talaga. Pero let's see what the results are. Hi guys. Okay, all products are really good, so if you really want to purchase at Yesstyle, yes you can. So don't forget, if you want to use my code Faye'sDay and you'll get a discount. It's just too big of my body, but I really like the product. I really like it. This dress, it's also a little bit big on my body, but I know I can work this out. Yeah, I can really work this out, guys. So that would be all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy my review on my Yesstyle sponsored products, and also if you want to purchase, you can. Kapilan ako to gibalik-balik. If you really just like, guys, if you really just like naman. And that would be all. Na-stress na yung hair ko. So please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. And thank you so much, guys, for watching, and see you on my next vlog. Bye, guys.